Hello, welcome back to Happy Full Stack Live. Today I continue Bootstrap lesson with a very important topic about Bootstrap Grid. Bootstrap Grid is a system to divide uh, your screen into rows and 12 columns. Each screen should be divided into rows with 12 columns. And this is a responsive uh, grid system. And in this lesson, you see understanding that uh, in Bootstrap we have a different screen size, and for each screen size, you should specify the width of column. For example, we have extra small for smartphone size, small for tablet, medium for laptop, and large for desktop respectively. So we have four different screen size, and at which screen size we have different width code. And come back to the index.html here. In this section, we have for class XS 12, class core small 8, class core medium 6, and class core large 2. Okay, so to understand this means that on screen size extra small, this code will span 12 column, and with small screen size, this column span 8 column, and with medium screen size, this column span 6 column, and for large screen size, this column span just only 2 column. Okay, so different width on different screen size. And to understand this, you should see the website page here and use the important tool that development tools in the Google Chrome browser, developer tools. Okay, and on the top we have a responsive tool. Now you see for small screen size, this column span 12 column, that means 100%, and for medium or for small it span 8, and become larger 6 colon on laptop 50%, and if the screen size is bigger, now just 2 column on desktop. You see, when we adjust the screen size with this responsive tool, the width of this section varies with the screen size. 12 column on phone, 100%. 8 column on tablet, 8 column. and 6 coulomb on laptop, 50%, and just 2 coulomb on desktop. Okay, that you could understand that different width on different screen size. And another important topic about Bootstrap grid system is the ability of responsiveness of this grid system. With the responsive column, the column we automatically stack on each other. Now in this section you have 3 columns, the first, the second, and the third column here. And if we adjust the screen size, now you see the column automatically stuck on top of each other. And if we adjust the screen size smaller, the column automatically stuck on each other. But if we increase the screen size, then the column will display horizontal. Okay, so you understand the ability of responsiveness of Bootstrap grid system. Here, for medium screen size span 2 column. This code for medium screen size span 6 column. For medium screen size span 4 column. But if the screen size is smaller than medium screen size, so the column will automatically stack on each other if the screen smaller than medium screen size. But if the screen is bigger than medium screen size, this structure will stay the same, that the first core span 2, the second core span 6, the third core span 4. But if the screen is smaller than medium, so the column will automatically stack on top of each other. That means each core will span 100% or 12 column, and we automatically stack on top of each other, and each column will span 100% 12 column. But if the screen size is medium size or greater than medium, such as large, so this column structure will stay the same. That means the first is 2 span, the second is 6 span, and the third is 4 span. Responsiveness for smaller and medium, this column stuck on each other and is span 100%. If the screen size bigger, then they will display horizontally and span for larger. Okay, that for today lesson about the Bootstrap grid system. Bootstrap grid system have responsiveness ability, and you can have different width on different screen size. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.